Don here at West Coast Classic Cougar. I'm working on my grill for my 68 Cougar. And I just thought I'd remind you guys how important these repair grill clips are. So important. You got two different kind of grills. You got ones that are broken right here and ones that will be broken. These are cheap, easy to put on. Just put them on and squeeze with your pliers. Nobody knows they're there, and you will keep your grill from breaking or easily repair your grill. Springs. These are our reproduction ones. I say don't buy them. They work, but they're just a little different. Take the time to bead blast, clean up gears, rust proof them, reuse them, better fit. I will say this, there's a lot less tension on these, so you're less likely to crack or break your grill with these reproductions. Do know that we have all the fasteners on our website. We got the GTE grill bars, headlights, buckets, grill starter kit. We got everything on our website to restore your grill, and it's really a satisfying project here. I can't wait to show you what it's like with the electric actuators all put in and lined up.